In this video, I want to talk about how you can create a YouTube animated intro for completely free on Canva. Now head over to canva.com, log into your account and click on create, search for YouTube intro and select this one. Once you've done this, what you can do is you can create your own one by putting in clips and audio and stuff. But the easiest for you is probably just go to design, select templates, and then just use a pre-made template. Now, if there's a crown here, it means you need the pro version, but if there's no crown, that means you can use it. So what you can do is, let's say you're in the gaming one, you can search for gaming, and it will show you gaming intros. Now, if you just want to use the basic ones, you can just come back here, and it will show you all results. So let's just try and do this one. Select it, and then just apply. And now you will see you have this intro right here. Now this is a simple intro, just says like this, and you can edit it if you want. So you can change all of this. And if you want, there will be other ones. Let's say we want to do this one. Let's delete these, press delete on your keyboard. You can make this longer if you want to. Of course, this will just repeat it. So once you have this right here, you can do this. You can see this is how it works. And then you can change this. So let's say your YouTube channel name is whatever. You can change it to whatever it is. And same about this one. And that's basically how that works, guys. Now you have a lot of things you can edit in here, like duration, all this stuff. You can add extra things. You can change the color. I suggest you change the colors to match your branding. So it's not just a template that anyone can find. And also you might want to change the fonts to something else. Okay, these are not very good, but if you look for the fonts, you can find something that looks really good, right? So that's what I suggest you do, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.